Hey boo, so today we are diving into a skincare topic that everyone is curious about. Night creams for wrinkles. If you're over 50 and you're wondering what actually works, what ingredients to look for, and which products are worth your money, you're in the right place. Especially with women like you. But before you worry about creams, what type of cleanser are you using? As a licensed esthetician, I'm here to tell you cleansing is the most impactful step in any skincare routine. Anti-aging, blemish control, glow, whatever your skin goals are, it all starts with your cleanser. So let's dive into cleansers because folks be out here talking about they don't wash their face, they only use water, and they think that's a good thing. They think that's a flex. Water is not designed to remove dirt, oil, kill germs, kill bacteria. So wash your face, wash the day away, cleanse the skin, remove impurities, unclog the pores. I love to do that deep cleanse at night so that my products can absorb and the next morning I can wake up looking 12. I use the Avo Cosmetics Clarifying Cleanser. This is step 1 in a 4-step kit developed by me to take the guesswork out of what to use and when to use it. The Clear Skin Kit is all natural, vegan, and organic. It aids in detoxifying the skin, fighting wrinkles, blemish control, and minimizing the appearance of your pores. It's a basic skincare routine that will keep your skin healthy and beautiful. After cleansing, you then want to go in with step 2, the botanical toner. This toner is not only refreshing, but it's also calming and very soothing. After cleansing and toning, I personally then go in with a essence and I follow that up with a serum. My essence and serum I swap in and out all of the time. It depends on what's going on with my skin. I love to slip actives in during those steps. This essence by True Botanicals has enzymes in it which helps to keep my skin bright. It is so gentle. I love everything that this company makes. It's on the natural spectrum. Everything packs a punch and delivers results without being harsh and irritating and stingy. This is another essence that I really like. It's by Tier. It is a milk essence. Anything milk, lactic acid gently exfoliates the surface of the skin. And this product in particular leaves the skin with such a beautiful glow. I just recently got this and I have really been enjoying using it. For my serums, this one by Kiehl's has retinol in it. It's such advanced technology. It delivers the retinol in microdoses, so it's gentle enough to use every single day. I don't use actives during the day, but if I ever was to trust a daytime retinol, it would definitely be this one. It's lightweight, it's fast absorbing, and it leaves the skin with such a beautiful glow. I love saving all of my actives for at night. During the day, I love to just hydrate the skin, keep it moisturized, pamper it, give it a hug, and really do good things for it. I nourish the skin during the day. And at nighttime, that's when I use my active. There's no risk of further damage because you went out into the sun and it was a really hot day and the sunscreen wore off or you didn't wear any, and now you have further damage because you have actives on your skin with UV rays hitting your skin. So I don't even mince. I just save my actives for a night. It's just the prime time to target fine lines, wrinkles, age spots, dark spots, loss of firmness, dullness, you know, all of the things that make us look older. So at night, I use everything to keep the skin bright and plump, and I get my rest so that I can not only look well rested, but I can feel well rested and I can just have that young looking skin and that youthful glow. Retinol is really a pillar in any fine line, wrinkle, anti-aging routine. It boosts collagen and smooths the skin. If you've tried retinols and they're a little too harsh and you just can't take it, you can try bakuchiol. It is an alternative form of retinol and people feel like it's more gentle. This is the one that I use. Is by Dr. Jart, and baby, you should see the before and after pictures people have submitted on the website. It is breathtaking. So if you haven't had much luck with retinols, try this. So what should you look for in a night cream if wrinkles are your primary concern? Well, night creams are typically thicker and richer and more hydrating than day creams. Check for call-outs like peptides and ceramides. Peptides are great for firming and rebuilding the skin structure, and ceramides are essential for your skin barrier health, especially for mature skin, because the skin thins and the skin barrier weakens over time. My favorite peptide cream is this one right here by Ole Henderson. It is the Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer, and I used it all up. I mean, 10 out of 10, chef's kiss. Talk about repair, talk about hydration, talk about firmness, talk about it really does deliver benefits to the skin that are visible and absolutely amazing. I really like this one too. It has peptides and ceramides. It is the Belief True Cream. I love this one as my very last step because it's so thick, it's so rich, it's so hydrating, it's so moisturizing. It feels amazing on the skin. I actually use these two together, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm and Aqua Balm, and baby, the skin, it plumps, it juices, it looks absolutely amazing. It feels hydrated, it feels firm. And when I wake up in the morning, my skin is like perfection. It's like it was when I was younger. It has like this natural glow, this natural sheen, almost like greasy. And guess what? I'm not mad at it, baby. Slug me out, because the more oil your skin has, the less lines it has. Okay, dry skin is aged skin, so slug me out. This moisturizing cream by Strivectin, everyone loves this, babe. Like 10 out of 10. It has peptides and collagen, and it just does something. Like, it's a healer. Like, it's a healing cream. Like, you see, like, wow, my skin looks so much better. So good for firmness. Fan fave at Sephora. My daughter even loves this one. Another moisturizing powerhouse is the Road Barrier Cream. Babe, chef's kiss. Like, it's so lightweight and thin, yet super hydrating. It's like, how did you do it? It's filled with peptides. It's a peptide powerhouse, babe. This one also has antioxidants, which you know fight the signs of aging. It's lightweight, hydrating, soothing, top tier. Hyaluronic acid is another call out to look for. It deeply hydrates and plumps the skin. The Lancome Genifique Ultimate. This is hyaluronic acid on steroids. Enough said. Niacinamide is great for elasticity, texture, and skin tone. This one here by Kiehl's is so like potent. If you truly want something that's like high percentage that you can buy from the store, you don't have to go to a med spa or a doctor, this one right here by Kiehl's will get you together. I only got a little bit left, and baby, I'm about to use this up because, honey, summer is coming and the skin has to be tea. So there you have it, the full meal deal. I wish it was as easy as just slathering on one wrinkle cream and voila, all your problems are solved. That would be absolutely great, but to get the best results, you should use your creams with other modalities like red light therapy, massage, microneedling, and you should layer other products with your creams that have actives in it like retinols, glycolic acid, lactic acid. When you do that, my friend, is going to give you the best results. Just like you have to diet and exercise to see results in your body, it's the same with your skin. You have to do different things, and it compiles and you will see results over time. I also like to tape my face at night. I tape my smile lines. Sometimes I tape my forehead, and sheet masks are great, honey. Some other tips: staying hydrated, of course, drinking your water, getting your rest, taking collagen supplements, your omega-3s. All of those things deliver visible results. The key is consistency. You can't just do it one time and it's a one and done. Wrinkles are not going to disappear after one application. Using products that actually work diligently, that's when you will see firmer, smoother, tighter skin. Be patient with the process. The body ebbs and flows. You know, you might have a setback, but keep going. Different circumstances produce different conditions in the skin, so give yourself some grace. But I promise you, using these products, you will have more good skin days than bad. If you found today's video helpful, be sure to join my free VIP beauty community. It's all about beauty, makeup, skincare, and fashion, and it's me, KiKi Carr, in your DM, giving you all the tips on what's hot, what's not, because it is my job to keep you looking good. So that's what I'm gonna do. In the meantime, click like, click share, click subscribe, duh, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one. Mwah!
I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like